Good fish.
Come on.
Huh?
Come on.
You still got him. Hang on, need the butt tank. I like sticking it under my arm. What, are you smiling? It's another snapper, I'm sure, but like I said, we're pre-fishing for snapper. There he is. He's a nice one. Nice, not bad.
Yeah.
Got a little side on.
Look at right on the side of the lip.
Perfect. 7 on. What? It might be that cobia. Here, raise up. I'll get the butt.
Oh, it's shaking its head. There you go. Okay.
Get the butt. It's a big fish. Good fish. Easy. Take your time. You got him up. Off the bottom, I would think.
Yeah.
Right?
I wasn't all the way at the bottom.
Oh, you weren't?
Nope. It's shaking its head violently.
Yeah, I see that. You can tell on a rod tip. That'd be cool if it's cobia. Since we done seen one. Look at him trying to go under the boat. That's not like a... Oh, it's a big snap. It's a snapper. Dude.
That's a good sized snapper.
You think?
Just for shits. What is that, 6 now? 7?
Yeah, we've caught a bunch now. Here, I'll get it. Yeah. Get it up behind you, and then I'll take a picture of you, you know, once you get situated. Here, get your rod thing off. I had to cut them down. They didn't really fit good. He's pretty good size. Definitely one on the...
That's take home right there. That's...
Hang on, doing. Watch the hook.
Yep.
Just get the GoPro running.
Okay.
I got him up. He hit hard too. Here, look at him, Pulling. See that? Live pogies, they didn't want it at the other spot.
No, no.
Another one, nice one. You can see him. Pre-fishing for snapper. Not bad. And then he wasn't really big, but boy, he was digging. Look at him. I thought he was bigger than that, or I'm just getting old. Yeah, 7/0's doing a lot better. Look at that.
Yeah.
Right in the corner of the mouth, right where it needs to be. Got away from that 5/0. Right where it needed to be. Boy, I gotta get new pliers. Look at that. They all rust, no matter what you get.
Even aluminum, I don't even know how aluminum rusts.
It does out here. All right. Nice fish. Now turn it off. Top.